Today we are going through the top 20 home organization products at IKEA. From kitchen organization to bathroom, office, even the bedroom. We are tackling everything. I'm An, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can start right away. We're starting off with the SUNNERSTA organizer set. This one comes in a few different versions and they are all great for organizing anything in your kitchen. And the best thing is that these ones don't need any drilling and they can be attached easily. There are so many combinations at different price points that you can combine to your own needs. Another one for your kitchen is this shelf insert. This one comes in two different sizes and they are both great for organizing anything in your cupboards or on your shelves. A new collection at IKEA that's great for organizing almost anything in your bedroom or your wardrobe are these soft felt boxes. These boxes come in two different sizes and work so well on their own or combined for a perfect fit inside your drawers. These will help you organize your clothes in your wardrobe, while the soft felt will protect your accessories, keeping them neatly in place. Another amazing organization product from that same collection is this jewelry insert. This insert will keep your jewelry in place while giving them a great overview. They will look like they are straight from a jewelry store. Another box collection that's great for organizing almost anything in your home is the No-Jig collection. This collection contains a few different sizes of boxes and they are all budget-friendly and great for organizing anything from your bathroom drawers to kitchen, office, even workshop. And when we're talking about closet organization, I cannot go on without mentioning these genius hanger connectors. These small connectors will allow you to hang an extra hanger on the hanger. Such a smart way to fit more into the wardrobe. Another IKEA product that's big when it comes to storage is the Nisa Force utility cart. This metal cart can be used to organize so many things in your home, from kitchen and pantry products to dining, tableware, office, workshop, even bathroom. It also has wheels, which makes it super easy to transfer from one room to another. And this year they made it in this beautiful pale green too. IKEA has a variety of storage boxes and here are a few of my favorite ones. First one is this pine box. This one comes in two different sizes and they are both perfect for storing heavier things like tools, books or jars since the box is super sturdy. You can also save space by stacking two boxes, one on top of the other. Another box collection that's perfect for organizing almost anything in your home is this one. These plastic boxes are a new collection at IKEA. They come in three different sizes. They are stackable and partially transparent, which makes it super easy to spot what's inside them. A great product for organizing your shoes is this mesh shoebox. These boxes are such a smart way to store your shoes. They come in black and white and are $9.99 for a set of 4 boxes. Another storage case from that same collection that's great for organizing in your wardrobe is this one. This one's great for storing seasonal clothes, jackets, or bedding while protecting them from dust. A sturdier and definitely nicer looking storage case is this rattan one. This one looks so stylish while helping you keep everything in place. This one can store so many things, you can even slide it under your bed and easily pull it out with the handle on the side. When it comes to storing in the kitchen or pantry, IKEA's famous jars with bamboo lids are definitely the way to go. There are a few varieties and sizes, but they are all great for storing anything in your pantry while making it look cute at the same time. A great product for organizing your kitchen drawers is this pegboard. You can simply place the pegs according to what you are storing, and the pegs will make sure that the contents inside your drawers are not moving around and getting disorganized. Another product for the kitchen is this clip-on multi-purpose rack. This one is so simple to fix to a shelf to create space for wine glasses or a kitchen roll. A home organization product I always get on my trips to IKEA are these reusable bags. These are great for storing food in the freezer since they can be used over and over again. There are so many sizes to choose from and they make them in a few cute designs. I just love them. Another home organization product that's new at IKEA is this storage turntable. This one's such a smart addition to your cabinet or countertop. You can rotate this one 360 to see and reach easily those smallest jars and bottles that like to hide. IKEA is a real queen when it comes to storage and organization, and one product that says it all is their famous pegboard. There are so many variations of this one, with so many gadgets, additional containers, shelf, and organizers you can combine it with. They can be used literally anywhere in your home, from kitchen to bathroom, pantry, office, or workshop, such a smart solution for utilizing vertical storage. This drawer insert is another great organization product. I can see this one in an office drawer for organizing pens and pencils, in the kitchen for organizing kitchen utensils, even in the bathroom for organizing makeup and brushes. Probably one of my most used organization products from IKEA are the Drona boxes. Even if you don't have the Kallax unit, these work amazing in organizing and storing anything in your home. And the last organization product I have for you today is this beautiful organizer box. This one looks so beautiful in this natural plywood, yet it can store so many things in so many different places in your home. It's perfect for organizing all your small things, and since it's made of untreated wood, you can paint it in your favorite color. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked my list of 20 home organization products from IKEA. Make sure to let me know which one was your favorite or which one you personally use by leaving me a comment down below. Also, check out this video where I talk about the best IKEA bathroom organization products. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars, which home organization product you like the most? Say like and subscribe.